Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel, make sure, guys, you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also, guys, follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, let's see what this Swiss franc JPY will be giving us for the day. Let's start with our trend, and we need to zoom it out to see the full trend. And we can clearly see that on our Swiss franc JPY, we are in an uptrend move. Market is very much clearly a buy to the upside, right? So this trade, most I'll say JPYPS is mostly for position traders, traders that would hold their position for a long time. They are the ones that will benefit from all these movements. Now, if you zoom it in right here, um, Swiss franc JPY gave an high. Here comes the higher low. It also gave us another push up, which is an high. Here comes the higher low. It also gave us another one, which is a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Swiss franc JPY also gave a new high, and here comes the higher low. So what market has done now? Market has now done given us a new higher high. So basically, for traders now, you should be expecting an higher low. So a sell which would be a pullback is what you should be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. Now, a lot of traders, due to fear of missing out, which is FOMO, they would likely start hopping on the buy, which is very wrong. So just wait for your pullback to play out first on your Swiss franc JPY. Wait for your pullback to play out, then you can now go ahead to take in your buy that will form a new higher high. So let's take a look at it on the forward time frame. So you can see that if this moment pushed up and there was a pullback here, then was a massive movement. So one thing you should be expecting next on your Swiss franc JPY is your pullback. So expect this pullback to a level of 195, 197, and 196. So let's say between 196 should be our level. We should be expecting Swiss franc JPY to pull back to. Once it can push back to a level of 196, then we can now start looking for another buy setup, another buy opportunity that will push up again. So guys, a pullback is what you should be expecting next. If there will be any changes to this moment, I'll make sure I let you guys know. All you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.